All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to another video by yours truly, the Lion. All right, let's get into this. All right, so what we want to cover today is simply how to do the new upgrade process with NovaBot because their process is moving quicker than Chrome extensions store. So they need to get the update out to you, but it would take the Chrome extension store a couple days to get it approved and then put into the Chrome extension store for you. So instead of doing that, there's a workaround. The problem is the workaround can be confusing. But that's what I'm here for. We're going to make it not so confusing for you. All right? So look, when you get to the main, say you use my link, you get the bot, open it up on Telegram. If you don't come to this page first after setting up your wallet, because you'll have to set up your wallet, you have to get all that done, right? Once you do that, you should come to this page. If you don't, click the menu button and hit menu, and you will be on this page. On this page, you'll find your wallet, your address, your guide, Twitter, support channel, YouTube, all the stuff for NovaBot and the backup bots. If you're having stutters on your bot, switch to one of these, switch to these bots. They're very good. People don't use them very much, so they're actually sometimes better than the regular bot. Anyway, so you're gonna click go to guide, right? We'll say okay. We'll go to the guide. Now the way this works with the new update is you need to go to Novaclick, which is right here. Novaclick. Okay. And it does have a video to show you this, but I'm going to take it a step further because there might be something they just don't put in the video, and I want to make sure that there is something in the video. All right. All right. So let's go over here. Let's go to the Chrome extension workaround because this is where you're going to get your Chrome extension. Okay. So we're going to skip everything that you would normally do, and I'm going to teach you straight to the point how to get this done. All right. Straight to the point, you get to this page, Chrome extension workaround. Don't worry about anything else here. If you're using Firefox, I can't help you, but you can go here and you can do the Firefox through the instructions. I don't know the Firefox version. I only know this version. All right. So the first thing you're going to do is come down here and you're going to download tradenova.io.novaclick. I've already done it, so I'm not going to do it, but download it. Okay. When you download it, you're going to get in your downloads. You're going to get a folder like this. It says Novaclick, and it is zipped. Okay. You want to right click it and you want to hit extract all, and then you want to hit OK. Okay. What that'll do is it'll give you this file right here, Novaclick unzipped. In this file, you'll have various things for a extension. Those are irrelevant. Don't worry about them. Now, once you have this downloaded, I need you to do me a favor, and you need to go to your extensions area up here, right here, okay? Then you need to come down because you won't have this yet. We want to get you to have this. I already have it, but you don't have it, so let's get it for you. Gotcha? Gotcha. Good. Let's get it. Manage the extension. Manage the extension, click it, okay? Now you come to this page, and you're going to hit developer mode right here, developer mode. Click it, okay? Once you click it, then you need to go to load unpacked, the far left button, load unpacked. Okay. You'll click it. It'll open up it'll open up the file that you need to be in, but it's technically not correct. So you need to go back one spot. So you see the unzipped Novaclick file, the full file. Okay. Not the zipped one, the unzipped one. You'll press it. Okay, you'll click it, and then you'll go down here and select folder. If you double click it, if you right click open, if you right click select, it just opens the folder. It doesn't ever work. So just click select folder down here. So highlight it, select folder down here. It'll instantly load it up in here. Okay. Now you have the extension, right? You'll have the extension at that point. Then what you need to do is come down here to Novaclick and click this, which will bring you up to this page. Okay. You don't need to download. You'll already have it. But once you click this, and what you should do up here with your extensions is click this little pin so you can pin it in your extensions. So you have it right here. That way you can turn it off, turn it on. You have access to it. Okay. Once you have that and you hit connect, what it'll do is it'll open a window down here. You'll click connect to Novaclick. It'll open a big freaking bunch of code crap. You hit yes, and then it'll actually connect your bot to the extension, and then it'll say you're connected, but it'll also have test your connection here. You can click test your connection and it should say you're ready. That will then give you access to turn your bot on with the overlay using this. And here you can change the amounts. You can also enable the NovaBot panel and exchange the amounts here, and then go into your settings and change your buy and sell amounts here. I have a video for that, so go and watch that one if you want to know how to do that and how those actually work. And I think you should be good to go from there. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I'll put links to everything I use in the comments, and I will catch you on the flip side. Take care, guys, and peace.